Hey everyone, so a few quick things. I got a bunch of new skins that I'm going to be making jewelry out of. I'm cleaning them up and getting them all prepped and prepared. So I'm thinking about doing a video for you guys if you're interested on jewelry making. It's nothing new, it's probably the same stuff you've seen on other people's channels. Then here's this piece all said and done and dry, and I'm loving the texture popping through. Just loving the whole energy about this piece all together. That gold, I don't know if you can see it. I love the way that gold dried right in here. Kind of curious to see how resin will sit on top of this and if I'm still able to see texture underneath the resin. So that'll be a fun experiment. Then everybody keeps asking me where this 4-bump bottle bottom came from, and finally tracked it down. Finally came across it. It's this guy right here. The sparkling ice has the 4 bumps. So if you're interested in where they came from, go get yourself some sparkling ice. I grabbed 2 flavors because I wanted to try them. Now, for today, I ran out of tiles, so I had to go. I'm not gonna place that down. Anyway, there we go. I went out and bought an entire box. Yep, a big old box of tiles. It came to like $8. Here we go. Let me clean one of them so I can add it to the other 3 I have set aside. Then I'll be back and explain what we're doing today. Of course, I want to come in and I want to do another set of coasters using the 4-way bottle bottom. Then I have this little 10x10 that we're going to come in and do probably, I'm thinking 5 bumps bottle bottom onto, and I will explain it on the way what the idea is. Let me get some gloves on, get cups underneath all of here, and we will be back. Absolutely love it when a canvas is perfectly taut. Okay. Now these are just cleaned with isopropyl alcohol. And you want to make sure that when you're using these, that the little lines are coming outwards onto the tile. And the colors that we are using today, these are going to be used after. And that one's going to be used after. And that one. Now, I'm going to be repeating the same 4 colors at first. Then I'm going to come back and add the other colors, because we are doing a Christmas theme reefy kind of vibe to it, and I'm going to repeat the same thing, do a bottle bottom with the same greens, and then afterwards we're going to come back in with like the color shift red. This one is actually Sherwin-Williams. This is that Elizabethan crimson that I mixed up in here. I have some golds that we're going to drip on in white, iridescent white, which is this stuff from Artist Loft, and then the CRAFTSMART Premium Bright Gold, just to add some of that Christmas decorative flair, you know. And then, I gotta get the base coat on here, and then we'll do white base coat on this one as well. So let me get that spread out on there for you guys, and we'll be back. Alright, so I have the base coat down, simple white. Make sure that's nice and center for you guys. And we are going to start the night with, we're going to start it with this leafy green from Sherwin-Williams. Set this up, move it aside. Separate them real quick and see if I can't get them to come towards the center a little bit. Now you can see it's that black and that green that are causing most of the cells. And I'm thinking about just rocking them back and forth. Alright, so you can see all the little cells popping up. Wanted to grab a skewer or something. Maybe? Maybe? No. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so I have all this right here that I don't really like, so we're just going to play with pulling one direction and back the other direction. Okay, so we have the initial look done. It's a lot of black right there. I did not expect that. And I'm thinking if I try to add any of this, it's just going to sink. We'll try. Yeah, it's just sinking. It's just disappearing. A lot of cool little cells are popping up though. Kind of excited the way it's looking. This might have to be a two-parter where I come back tomorrow when they're dry, and then we can add in little Christmas bulbs and stuff, because I don't think these are going to stay. I think they're just going to keep disappearing. Yeah, you can already see that one kind of sinking right there, so let's try the color shift real quick. So the color shift, since it's transparent, seems to be a lot lighter, so probably not as many pigments inside of it, so it does float. Oh. So many cool little cells popping up. Getting ahead of myself. We're just gonna have to wait to see how this dries, and then come in and add a little bit more festivity and make them look a little bit more Christmassy, maybe. I think we'll do that, and we'll start the next video doing the bottle bottom. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2. We come back, we take a look at what happens to these as they dry and shift and move, and maybe we can come in and add little red ribbons to them, some gold bells, some traditional little sparkles. I was hoping with this iridescent to come in and add like little snowflakes maybe. We'll finish this tomorrow. We'll come back to 10 by 10 and see what goes on there. I have 2 other videos that I'm in the process of editing, so bear with me. I talked about the little houses, and I talked about Marcy's painting. I have them. I'm not going to show you guys them yet, because I want you guys to see the videos. So stay tuned for that. I'm just, I don't know, I hit like a editing slump with them, so so bear with me. I'm going to finish these tomorrow, edit the other videos, and get them uploaded for you guys, and yeah. So, see you guys tomorrow in part 2. Bye.